Hello, this is Konrad. I want to show you my buoyancy wheel. This wheel is standing in a fish tank, is completely covered with water. The water level is here. The frame is made from aluminium. This stone has no function besides holding the frame down at the bottom of the fish tank. The wheel is made from plywood and painted so that the water doesn't destroy it immediately. On both sides of the wheel is a plexiglass disc so that we have some form of channel around here. Air bubbles will come out here from these two hoses. This is an air pump for fish tanks. So the bubbles will go into these cavities and the buoyancy of the air bubbles will drive the wheel. I will switch on the air pump now. And you see the wheel immediately starts to turn. And if one looks carefully, one sees the air bubbles inside these cavities. The air bubbles could be better injected into the cavities with a nozzle, but I haven't done that yet. So I switch off the air again and you see the wheel stops. The air bubbles have all been released to the surface. I will let it come to a stop. Now I switch on the air pump again and immediately the cavities on the left side get some air bubbles in them and the buoyancy of the air bubbles drives the wheel. The bubbles are again released up here and they are injected down here. This wheel could as well be a water wheel. If we imagine standing this wheel in the open air and if we fill in water here, again with some hose, it would be a water wheel. But here I drive it in water by air, by the buoyancy of air and not by the weight of water like in a normal water wheel. I switch on the air bubbles again and it starts to turn. If I stop it by hand, we see these cavities. So this cavity has completely filled with air. There's a little bit. Now if I release it. So this could be done better, this filling of these cavities with air. I switch the air off again. I stop it by hand. We see the cavities filling up. That's all I can show you today. Thank you for watching.